Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add a song to Snapchat. If you have ever wondered how to make your Snap more fun and expressive with perfect soundtrack, then this tutorial is for you. Adding music to your Snapchat stories or Snap is a great way to enhance your creativity and share your mood with your friends. Whether it's a trending song or a favorite tune or even a funny soundbite, music can add extra style to your Snap. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Once you are in main screen, tap anywhere to check that you are in camera mode. Here you can capture the snap and use the music icon on the right side to add music on your snap. Or you can also use the photos and videos from gallery and add song to that. I'm going to add song to my photo which is in my gallery. For that, tap on overlapping cards on your screen. Then select the photo or video that you want to add the song to. Here on your screen you can see downward arrow type icon. Tap on it. This will open several options over there. There you can see a music note icon too. Tap on it. This will open your music library. Now you can scroll through the featured music or use the search bar to find a specific song. Once you find a song you like, tap at the right of the song. This will provide you the preview of a song. If it is the one you want, select that and it will be added to your Snap. Snapchat lets you choose a specific part of a song to use. Drag the slider to find the exact part that you want to play in your Snap. You can also add lyrics to your Snap like this, like this. There are different types of style for lyrics. Once you are happy with the part of a song and all the lyrics is shown, tap on tick button on your screen. Now you can customize your Snap further by adding text, stickers or filters to make it stand out even more. Once you are happy with all the customization and how it looks, tap on the send to button on your bottom right corner. Then you can share the snaps to your story, which is in the first section, or even send it to your friends individually by tapping on the friends. Once you have selected the people you want to share, tap on send button in bottom right corner. And that's it. Adding music to Snapchat is simple and can make your Snap a lot more engaging. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.